Hey, what's happening? What's going on, guys? And thank you for tuning in to Rules for Rebels. Today is June 18th, 2018, and I got pop sockets. I don't think we're actually allowed to call them pop sockets. I think we're supposed to call them popping rotating grips or some funny name like that. I actually have to go read the FAQ before I start uploading. But I made the video the other day letting you guys know that pop sockets are out. Pop sockets are the new product. And I was somewhat disappointed that pop sockets hadn't been rolled out to me. I feel like every time a new product is rolled out, in a way it kind of levels the playing field to where, you know, whoever's the first one to kind of hit the ground running and really try to kind of saturate their niches is going to get kind of a head start on everybody else in terms of you're going to have your products out there before other people, so you're going to, you know, there's less competition, there's more eyes on a fewer number of pop sockets. Once pop sockets get rolled out to everybody and everybody starts flooding it, you know, now you're 1 in a million instead of 1 in 100,000 or whatever it may be. But really excited to see pop sockets rolled out. I'm tier 1,000. I'm probably eligible for a much higher tier, but I only got about 600 shirts uploaded. It seems like whenever I get a couple hundred more uploaded, I'll have a bunch of old designs wiped out. So it's kind of hard to get ahead. I really got to kind of buckle down and try to max out my 1,000. But yeah, I'm tier 1,000. Pop sockets were actually made available to me as of today, June 18th. So if you guys are tier 1,000 or higher, definitely recommend logging into merch. Take a look. You may be pleasantly surprised to see pop sockets on your dashboard. I did go ahead and upload one design so far. I was being careful not to use the word pop socket. You know, I think it's only kind of natural. I'll be like, soccer t-shirt for people who love soccer. And, you know, I think the natural inclination is, you know, soccer pop socket will look awesome on your phone while you're at a soccer game, you know. And I forget, I got to dig into the FAQ and see what we're actually supposed to call them and what we're allowed to say. But I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to call them pop sockets, so I got to dig into that a little bit more. Design size is 485 by 485. What's kind of cool about that, for anyone using a program like Canva or something like that, or even LunaPic, PicMonkey, any of these things, a lot of times these kind of janky programs only allow you to go up to a 5,000 pixel size, and then so you kind of have the extra headache of having to go over to resizedimage.net or something else and resize them. What's kind of cool about this is you can do the full design even in a Canva, a LunaPic, a PicMonkey, something like that. So it's one less step you're going to have to go through. But I think I'm going to max out my last 400 designs on pop sockets. I think just start flooding all my niches. And then once, I'm pretty sure once I get up to I start using 80% or more in my designs, I'm fairly confident they're going to tier me up to 2,000 fairly quickly because I sold well over 1,000 shirts over the course of my merch career. But yeah, overall, just really happy to see these things on the dashboard. Check your account. Let me know if you have them. Also, make sure to mention what tier you are. So if you're at tier 500 and you have pop sockets, drop a comment, say I'm tier 500, I have pop sockets. Just because other people, you know, I'm sure some people who are watching this are tier 10, some people are tier 100, some people are tier 1,000, some 5,000, etc. So if you do have them, let people know what niche you're on. Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Later, guys.